Hey there, I see you're interested in learning full stack web development. Guess what? You've made the right choice. And the most important thing is you are in the right place. Welcome to Bizmaro Technologies, the best training institute in Abuja, Nigeria, where you become a professional full stack developer, mastering both front end and back end. Now let's look at what full stack development is. A full stack developer is someone who can build an entire website or web applications from scratch to finish. That means you master both front end, what the users see, and back end, what happens behind the scene. At Bizmaro Technologies, we offer practical hands-on training covering front end, where we have HTML and CSS that build structured, beautifully styled web pages. We also have JavaScript and jQuery for interactivity and dynamic features. We also have responsive design that makes websites work on tablet, mobile, or desktop. Then Bootstrap and Tailwind CSS for speed up development with frameworks. Now let's look at the server and database management, which is the back end. We have programming like Python, PHP, and Node.js. They power websites with logic and data handling. MySQL and MongoDB store and retrieve data efficiently, while API development connects websites with other services and applications. We also have user authentication and security, which implements login and secure systems. Now let's look at full stack integration and deployment. A combination of front end and back end build a complete web application. We also have version control that manage projects like Pro. We also have deploying websites and apps where you learn how to host your project online. At the end of this training, you will learn how to build a professional website from scratch. You will also learn how to work with both front-end and back-end techniques like a pro. You will use APIs, database, and security features to create a powerful website. You will also master modern development tools like Git, GitHub, and Cloud. You will also be job ready with real-world experience in full stack development. Now let's look at the career opportunities and job roles you will have with full stack development skills. You can work as a full stack developer, a front-end developer, a software engineer, and even a freelance web developer. And guess what? Companies and businesses are always in need of skilled web developers. So with this skill, you can land yourself a well-paying job or start your own web development business. Now, why choose Bizmaro Technologies? At Bizmaro Technologies, you will get 90% practical hands-on training, a small-sized class where you get all the attention it deserves, a project-based learning where we'll make sure you build real-life projects, meaning you're going to build a full website and host it before you graduate. You will also get a dedicated trainer that will be assigned to you, taking you step by step until you get to the final stage. So take action today, because delay is dangerous. Let's help prepare you for a high-paying job and remote gigs. Visit Bizmaro Technologies today and we'll be glad to start this wonderful journey with you. Until I meet you in class, my name is Faith. Bye!